hindi na ako akyat guys kasi nakapalda ako. At takot ako guys, ano yan, oh. Animal feeding is 50, oh. Sige. Oo, baka makakain ka dyan. Good morning guys! So, dito tayo ngayon ulit sa aking hotel kasi we're going to prepare ourselves. Yan, I put makeup a little bit na kasi we're going to Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya is the place where is the temple. And then we're going also to Elephant. Yeah, so many places to go. As of now, here, yan, retats pa ako kasi konti-konti lang. Maglagay na lang ako ng hairpin ko. Look at the back, oh, diba? Hair clip with, ponytail na may flower na red. Then, yan. Yung buko lumilipat na guys, kailangan mag hairpin dahil kung mahangin mahangin ang mga tao mahangin sa labas. Oh my God! So, lagyan natin ng hairpin para hindi ayan, tayuan ang ating mga buhok. Mamaya para na tayong si Donald Trump. Yung mga buhok na ganun guys, ay tatayo, di ba? Yeah. Also this earring. Ay, wow! Yan. I have the earring one, the blue. Yan, mga sequins yan. And I have also this. Yan. Ganito lang mga barurulay. Yan. Diba? Okay.
Sana all.
And I have also this. Oh, diba? Charot! Okay. Ang ating, kwarto. Yan, as in. Yan, pinaghigaan ng aming mga sister. Ay, ang ganda ni ate, te, oh. Wow, I wanna take photo to you, te. Oh, see? Combination of yellow-green and the hat is yellow. Ako pumili sa kanyang necklace. Yan, ganda. Oo. Hello to Jen. Yan.
2,000 ang isa.
Shout out, te. Gondo. Saan tayo pupunta, te? Ayutthaya. Okay, 3 person. We are here again in the buffet. Ayan. Dito ay, meron na. Dito na tayo guys sa Ayutthaya. Wala pa! Ayutthaya agad. Dito pa lang tayo sa Ratchewi. Yan ang kanilang mga guwapings day. Ang kanilang train. Maiksi lang naman ang train dito, parang Philippines lang sa Manila. Yan. Wow. Parang maiksi lang sa Philippines. Okay, I wanna take photo here. Yan guys, sa Chatewi pala ako. Okay, pasok na tayo. Punuhan. Yan, siksikan tayo guys. There you go, where we going down in Siam. Yeah, we just been in Ratchakweli. Then now we going down to Siam.
Doors will open on the right-hand side of the train.
Dito na, diba? Alright guys, so we are here in Siam Station. And then we're going to The next station. Okay, exit na tayo guys. Okay, here is One Siam. Right along. We're going to the gate 1. Now this is Siam Paragon. Ayan. Lalakad tayo guys. Hanapin natin yung magpipick up sa atin na magga-guide. Yung tour guide natin basically. So dito niya tayo antayan sa gate 1 ng Siam exit 1. Hi ate, okay ka lang? Sir. Okay, so dito tayo guys. Guess kung babae ba to o lalaki. Kala ko babae, pero yung nagsalita, narinig ko ang boses. Sorry lang guys. Hi! Na-curious lang ako. It's so beautiful. Here. So guys, dito tayo magpulong-pulong. Hello! Dito ang pag-antay ng aming tour. Ayan, mga kasamaan din namin na magtutour sa Ayutthaya. Okay, so ito yung ating tour guide. Say hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog.
Ay, hello po.
Filipino? Ay, thank you naman. Filipino pala siya. Tour guide? Kasama ka din sa tour? Yes, very good. Ito yung tour guide natin. Ito, tour master. Tour master. At least meron tayong isang kasama, kalangwayan natin.
Sana all.
Only 3?
Oo.
Ay, saan dyan sa loob? Sa likod?
Hindi, sa harapan. Si ate. Matawa lagi si ate.
Hindi, may nasa likod ba?
Wala ba tayong te? Open your eyes.
Pilipino yun, kasama na.
Ayan na.
Yes, in-interview ko na nga siya kanina.
Ay,
And,
ano sa atin?
Taga saan ka sa atin, be?
Pasig po.
Pasig! We are already close. For a bit. Kasi Parañaque ako.
Malayo.
Yeah, Pasay malapit sa akin. We are close to Marikina, Cubao. Ayan.
Ikaw? Siya?
Siya. Tourist ka lang dito din, be?
Opo.
How many days?
2 weeks po yan.
2 weeks. So, yung ang kagandahan talaga, 2 weeks kasi mapuntahan mo kung saan hindi ka magraras sa araw.
Pero walang gagawin. Ito lang yung tour ko po.
Ito lang yung gusto mong puntahan, Ayutthaya.
Opo.
And then, wala nang iba.
Wala na.
Ah!
Tambay lang ako dito.
In 2 weeks. Sayang naman. Punta ka ng Galaxy. Yeah.
Galaxy.
Sa ano ba? Yeah. Dinner, Royal Galaxy Cruise.
Dinner cruise.
Yeah, and then doon sa Calypso.
Ano yung calypso po?
Sa Asiatic.
Doon.
Asiatic Calypso, yung cabaret show.
Maganda po.
Yang ganda. Doon kami galing kagabi. Cabaret show. Ay, 1 hour may enjoy mo talaga.
Magkano po yung doon?
Ano lang be? 900 baht.
Wala lang.
Oo, 900 baht, 1 hour. So exciting talaga. Ang ganda, para lang siyang mga parang nasa show Disney ka na nagda-dancing, singing, ganon. Marami silang mga ibang character.
3, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, there you go guys. So we going na. Tapos na nag-antayan sa mga kasama nating turista. So ito po ang loob ng ating tourist bus. Actually, this is not a bus. It look like jeepney sa atin. Pero ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya guys. Look at it. They customize. Look, they customize it very nice. Pero like, I'm intoxicated na kasi mainit. Hindi naman nila inaano yata yung aircon na malakas. Tapos namumula na ang face ng Beijing niya. Oh my God! Wala talaga ako maramdaman. Parang fun lang.
So fast now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Today,
Even in the...
greeting. Thai style greeting. How we are greeting? Thailand greeting. Two hands together. Thailand is a Theravada Buddhism country. So when we greeting, two hands together and we say,
daw.
Sawadika.
Sawadika.
For
Sawadika.
men. For men.
For woman?
For women we say, Sawadika.
Sawadika. If man is
Thailand
sawa.
very open country. We
Suwa.
have the third gender.
Okay.
We have lady boy, no, very famous.
Yes.
Everyone know, right?
Yes.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Yeah.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Yeah, good. พาณิชย์อาวรรัตนกุล
I call you Panit.
Yeah.
You know what means is punit in Philippines? Is
Skin.
punit. I call you punit.
Skin.
Sikit.
Right? Panic
Yeah.
is a Philippine like skin, right?
Okay, I have a job. Punit in Philippines, your name is means cut. Singkit. You are singkit, right? Yeah, you are singkit. Punit singkit.
Why don't know singkit? What is it?
You said you are punit singkit. You are icy singkit.
They say panit in Philippines means skin. Skin, right? I don't know. This is
Ah, pangit.
panit.
Oh my God!
It's different from...
Smiling, huh?
Oh,
And
man.
today,
So different
they
colors
have
every
the
day.
same price, not different. They start by meter together, the same price. Yeah. And also, if anyone want me today to treat you about a big bowl of tom yum goong or mango sticker rice, if who can remember full name of Bangkok, I will treat you. Okay?
Hindi ko maintindihan.
1, 2, 3 กรุงเทพมหานคร อามรรัตนโกสินทร์มาหินพาราอายุทยามหาดิลกภพนพรัตน์ราชธานี
No one.
Only I remember Amun.
Amon, okay, good. Short name. But if you would like to call short name is a meeting. They have meetings. Bangkok is a big city, and big city. Snow. And we don't have snow.
Oh, this is the king on that front there picture. Here, look at the bridge.
This one?
No, here in the front. Front na nga ako
Our king
eh.
and queen. Now king and queen. King. Now king Lama
King, this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
King
thank you.
Lama King. หล่อมากๆอ่ะ
Lo Makmak.
Yeah, หล่อมากๆ So handsome.
The king of Thailand is Lo Makmak.
Yeah.
Very
of
good.
course. หล่อมากๆ handsome. And Say Ting Ting is a beautiful.
Si Ting Ting is beautiful for the woman, the
for-
princess.
Say Ting Ting is mean you are beautiful.
Yeah.
And
Handsome.
handsome.
Correct. Okay, dito na tayo sa palace. So, ito po ang kanilang entrance. As you can see, ganda na. Ito ang kanilang flag. Yes, guys. And this is the three sister Aki say, hi, welcome to Bangkok. Here in Ayutthaya. Oh. Ando na, malapit na tayo guys sa kanilang king. Ayun guys. Oh, okay. So yung bata. Guys, ito ang ating attire. Okay, let's go.
So this one we call Putabang. Pa is a mean made of meat in Thai. Made of meat, nah. In is a beautiful name, a beautiful girl name. With in the old
Long
time,
Park
the king
in Palace
Ekatesolon, they're on the boat coming around here. The boat is standing here. So after that, they made with a beautiful girl. Very big, no? They have a lot of building, a lot of stuff
Bampa in
here.
Palace plan.
Yeah, and also with the but 80% built by King Lamafai.
Okay.
King Lamafai like to come in here.
King Lamafai.
Yeah, they really like to come in here.
Office building permission. King
but
Lamafai.
the first king on Ayutthaya,
Bangpan
this
in
one,
Palace
you can
plan.
see on the guidebook, no? Coming here.
Pasan
like
is
to
king,
like the
Tong is
palace.
called
They will
Pasan
come in for
Tong.
relax, like that. It will be the palace area.
They have
So
prime
the
minister
take
na
care,
wala,
the
hindi
tree,
na
the building,
namumuno ang king,
decoration,
kundi
and
prime minister na
whatever.
ng Thailand.
Take care very good. For classic style. And neo-classic. They have the pillar like the inner court, here only the king and wife
12
and
is
of
Tevarak Kalay Gate.
yeah, only women. If the king guard, if you be a man, only outside. You
Okay.
you stay in this 30 because there will be
Okay,
state
30.
rules. So
Museum
cannot
na
go
siya.
forward.
Wala na
But
siyang
this one,
king.
they tend to be the,
Lumipat na yung
like the
king.
museum.
A few moments later.
Kaya namili ako dito guys. So, ito binili ko niya. $100. Ay, $100 ano. Thai. Meron din sila doon mga sombrero. Thank you, Kapungkan. Bye-bye. Guys, we are here now in Central Ayutthaya. Okay. Bawal yata dito ang mag-ano guys. So, there you are. This is the souvenirs. I like this color. Oh. Ito, magaganda to. Okay, start to ordering now. So this one natin, number 8, stir-fried noodles and Sibas black bean sauce. Ayan o. Naman. Okay, dito yung number 2 na order naman ni Pangga. This is okay, punta muna ako doon. That is it. Somtam Thai papaya salad with roasted peanuts. Number 2. And yung order ko is spicy seafood salad, number 4. Okay. Okay, this is papaya. Where can Okay, that is the finished product. Already finished, yeah. Oh, pinagsama-sama niya, guys. Tapos, ayan, parang tawag diyan. Wow. And then yan yung mga spices nila, oh. Small chili only, ah? Okay, because I cannot eat, too much chili. A little only. Because this is spicy seafood salads number 4. Ayan. Thank you. Okay, yan ang order ko. Nasaan si ate? Ate, it's your order here. Ayan na, ginagawa niya na yung akin. Can I go there? I wanna go and look at it. So, wow! No, too much. Only one.
Only one chili.
Yeah, sorry, remove. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Buti na lang nakita ko. Remove one more. Only one. Sorry, I cannot eat. Yeah. Okay. Ayan na. Tinutok-tok-tok niya na. Tamo, oh. Tamo yung chili na isa yan. Oy, naku Lord. Isa lang. Pero manghang kasi labuyo siya, guys. Then, he will put beans, carrots, and then lime, and then tomato. Okay. Ayan, hugasan niya na yung seafoods. Tapos nilagyan niya sa apoy, nalulutuin pa niya. Okay, that's good. May kinukuha pa siya doon. Sa'yo yan, te. Sa'yo yan po. Kunin mo na po. Lulutuin pa yung akin seafoods. And then, lalagyan din niya ng papaya. Nag-grind na siya. Then, mix niya na. Nilagay niya na yung niluto niyang seafoods. And then, he will mix it. Okay. Okay, so here, mine. Thank you. So, bili din ako ng juices ko. Okay, 1 watermelon. Mali pala ako, strawberry pa rin. Smoothie strawberry. Okay, this is it. Finished na. Ito na yung finished product ng strawberry ko. Guys, this is smoothie strawberry. Let me taste. Sweet. Good. Okay, so let's go. Okay, punta na tayo sa table. Kain na tayo, guys. Lagay ko doon. Okay, let's eat, guys. Ito ang aking seafood. Buti na lang nakita ko.
Spaghetti na
Ang dami ilalagay na chili. Pinatanggal ko yung iba.
Ako kasi wala akong chili nilagay kasi ayoko ma-ingrill. Okay.
Enjoy ko muna yung pagkain ko, guys.
Okay na ba? Okay na picture.
Puntahan ko yung order ko. Yeah, this is it. This is my order. Okay, there is it. My own. Yeah, that is tuna. Lalaki ng pata nila, oh. Look at that egg. It's pink color. I come to take, yeah? I come back to take. Hello? It's already finished? Pantay? Thank you. Ito, dinner natin sa bahay. Murder ako pantay.
Nag-order ako pantay.
Yes, I knew.
Dapat iba na lang pa rin.
Ayun, niluluto pa kasi siya. Ayun. Okay, there you go. Tapos na siya. Kapun kan. Thank you. Alright then. May sounds, guys. Okay, so let's eat. May Uniqlo din dito, te. So, girls, we are here in Patana Mall. Central. Meron pa. Ayutthaya Central. Okay, you know. Central Ayutthaya. Hindi, yung isa naman, Patana Central. Ito, Ayutthaya Central, Bangkok. Nako, may sounds na naman guys. Sandali lang, makaka-copyright ako. Guys, dito po ang kanilang Central Mall. Ang gaganda, sa sarap na. Okay, palabas na tayo. Shout out dyan, guys. Yeah, bye-bye to Ayutthaya. This is Robinson also, guys. May Robinson din pala dito sa Bangkok. Yeah, this is far away na in the city. Another town of Bangkok here, Ayutthaya.
Adidas.
Ano binili mo ka? Perfume? Perfume from home? Soap? Yun na mga scented. Okay, let's go.
Temple.
What is that? It's in there.
Temple, yeah.
Temple? We go to another temple?
It's not a temple, a palace.
In the morning, it's a
Palace?
This is the temple.
Temple daw.
This temple is